Yo, how's it going, you guys? It's Market Scraper, and I'm going to look at CleanSpark or CLSK today. And the only reason why I'm looking at this stock is someone in my last video commented asking for me to look at CLSK. So if you want me to look at another stock, make a comment in the comments section, and if I'm interested in that stock, I might make a video about that. And so I have no investment in this stock. I don't have any plans to make investment in this stock. Maybe from this video with you guys looking at this, I'll kind of get an idea if I want to make an investment in the future, or maybe reasons why I don't want to make an investment in the future. So CLSK is a software company that makes basically optimizes grid to be efficient and save money essentially. So we're going to take a look at this right now. But before we get into this video, if you get any value from this content, don't forget to put a smash down on the like button. It really helps this content, helps other people see this video. And if you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're interested in cryptocurrency, definitely take a look at BlockFi. I am a partner with BlockFi, and you can get up to 250 in bonus crypto. And it's in my description down below, the link for this 250 bonus. Also, I personally like to take advantage of the 8.6% APY with stable coins. And down below here is the payout structure for how much you put in, how much you could get. Okay, and before we just jump into CLSK at the moment, if we quickly look at Bitcoin, an interesting thing has happened right over here. We can see that I thought that maybe we would go around here, this area of consolidation. I made the video yesterday saying that, okay, we were right here. I thought we are going to have a spike up. And I honestly thought we'd spike up somewhere between 59 or 60K and then have a sell-off back down to this area of consolidation. So what happened exactly? We had a spike, not as high as I thought we'd go to exactly, but then come Sunday, we had a give back to this area of consolidation. So we kind of got this right in the sense of a spike. We did not get how high it would go. And then we also got the timing of when we'd see a give back. Not exactly the timing. I thought maybe it'd be Sunday evening, Sunday afternoon, Sunday morning we had this give back. So that's just interesting. It's interesting to see these patterns happen, see what we think is going to happen, and see how it actually unfolds. Okay, so back to CLSK. This is an interesting company. We're seeing massive revenue growth year over year, and we're continuing to see that at the start of this year. This is the trailing 12 months. So anyway, let's go into the technicals. There's some interesting things just that's going on at the moment right now with the Biden administration focusing on infrastructure, focusing on energy grids, and improving these. So this is kind of in the fray, potentially in the mix of a play on that what's going on right now. In addition, there's cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin that's going on right now, which is consuming more energy and making people want to optimize their grid and energy and save money. So this is something that is a solution to a few things that are going on in the current events right now. And so if we're looking at this stock right here, I did draw these two lines right here. Basically, this is the channel that we're trading in right now. And a few interesting things are going on. We were just rejected at the top of the channel right over here. So the question is, can we have another go and break out? So if I am looking at this at the moment here, the line in the sand right now for me that I'd make, which is the bottom of this breakup candle right here, and we can take a look at this. So basically the low is $20.10. So I'd be looking at $20.10. If we go below $20.10, I'm going to look for a drop, maybe to go back to the bottom of this channel. I mean, it might obviously not go all the way to the bottom of this channel, but I'm very interested in this price over here. And so the low was significant over here. We tested this consolidation over here, but I'd be interested for us to test these key critical areas over here basically, and these areas right here correspond to if we have a price drop in the near future to this area right around here. So as we can see over here, basically we're taking a look at this price. Let's see, the open over here was around $14.30. So we're talking about this area here, which is kind of interesting. This is an interesting area of $14 or under $14. If we can get over here, this is when I technically would be interested on a risk reward basis to jump into this stock potentially, because I could see a pretty significant bounce from the support that we could see over here. Now, again, it doesn't mean we're going to even go down here. We have this support right at this area right here. So we might not go below this. I think it was $20.10. Maybe we come down here like we're seeing, and then a bounce up, and then potentially a breakout. So that's something that could happen. I'm not saying that we're going to break up that intensely, but if we can see the amplitude here, What could we expect from a move potentially? I think it would be very reasonable to say something like this. So if we break out soon, let's say a breakout in a couple days from now, we can see that we could see prices getting close to 30, maybe $29 around here. There's some nice resistance areas here. So I think, yeah, if we broke out in the next couple of days, I am expecting price to go to maybe 29 bucks. That's kind of where my bias is right now. If we are able to stay above this $20.10, I'm hoping, if I am interested in jumping into the stock, I'm personally hoping for a drop down over here, which would make me pretty interested in making a purchase potentially for this stock. Well, I hope you guys got some value from this content. If you haven't already, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And keep in mind that none of this is financial advice. This is just some random guy on YouTube drawing some stick figure lines on a chart talking to you guys.